How to use Walmart promo codes. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, open up any web browser you want and head over to walmart.com and log into your account. Now you can shop for your favorite items. Simply click on the add button and then add all the things you want to purchase. Then the next step is to click on the basket icon and that should open up your cart. Now click on continue to check out option. Here you will be able to find your total amount that you have to pay without any discounts. If you have promo codes, you want to click on the drop down menu right next to have a promo code option. Then enter your promo code here that you have got from different websites. And now click on the apply button. If the promo code is valid, you're going to get the discount as mentioned in your promo code. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.